Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a classic martini. First, gather your ingredients: gin or vodka, dry vermouth, and your chosen garnish. Chilling your martini glass beforehand is crucial for a perfectly cold drink. Always use fresh, high-quality spirits and vermouth for the best flavor. Don't forget plenty of ice for mixing. Now let's mix. In a mixing glass filled with ice, combine 2½ ounces of your preferred spirit, either gin or vodka, with 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. Stir these ingredients gently for about 30 seconds. This ensures the drink is thoroughly chilled without overdilution. Remember, stirring is traditional for a clear, smooth martini. Once chilled, it's time to serve. Strain your perfectly mixed martini directly into your pre-chilled glass. For garnish, you can choose a classic olive or a fresh lemon twist. If using a lemon twist, gently express its oils over the drink before dropping it in. This adds a wonderful aromatic touch. Serve your martini immediately. There are many ways to customize your martini. For a dry martini, use less vermouth. For a wet martini, use more. Experiment with various brands of gin or vodka to find your favorite profile. A dash of orange bitters can add a surprising layer of complexity. Remember to always enjoy your delicious creation responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.